I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to show a transcript of your Siri discussion on your Apple iPhone or iPad. Are you someone who loves using Siri but sometimes find it easier to read responses rather than listen to them? Whether you're in a noisy environment, need a written record, or simply prefer reading, displaying Siri's responses as a transcript can be incredibly useful. In this video, I'll show you how to show a transcript of your Siri discussions right on your iPhone or iPad. This feature not only enhances your interaction with Siri, but also makes sure you don't miss any important information. Now let's walk through the steps to show a transcript of your Siri discussion on your Apple iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. You'll land on the Settings menu. Step 2. Scroll down this menu until you find Siri and Search, and then tap Siri and Search. The associated window opens. Step 3. Navigate to the Ask Siri section and then tap Siri Responses. The Siri Responses screen is displayed. Step 4. Find Always Show Speech in this menu and then tap to toggle it on. Going forward, everything that you say and that Siri says will be shown in captions displayed on your iPhone or iPad screen. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.